In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams channels efficiently. Microsoft Teams is a powerful collaborative tool that helps to streamline communication within teams, and understanding how to use channels effectively can make a considerable difference. First, you'll want to head over to the Microsoft Teams website and log into your account. If you're not already familiar, your organization might require particular login credentials, so make sure you have those handy. Once you're logged in, take a moment to explore the interface. A good starting point is the chat section, which you'll find conveniently located on the navigation panel. When you hover over the chat section, locate the drop-down arrow at the far right. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu will guide you to your next step, creating a new channel. Channels in Microsoft Teams are designed to facilitate focused conversations around specific topics or projects within a team. Once you've clicked on New Channel, Microsoft Teams will prompt you to choose a team to add your new channel to. This step allows for segmenting discussions among different groups within the organization. It helps to know how your organization is structured within teams, so take a quick look at the team names available. After selecting a team, you'll need to assign a name to your new channel. Choose something descriptive that reflects the channel's purpose. Additionally, you can add a brief description to offer further context or guidelines on what the channel should be used for. These descriptions can make it easier for team members to understand the channel's goal at a glance. Next, choose a channel type. Microsoft Teams provides three options: Standard, Shared, and Private. Selecting Standard makes the channel accessible to everyone on the team. If you opt for Shared, you'll be able to bring in people both from inside and outside your organization, ideal for cross-organization projects. Meanwhile, the Private option restricts access to specific individuals within the team, which is perfect for sensitive or confidential discussions. After deciding on the channel type, simply click on Create. This action establishes your channel, making it ready for conversations to begin. Now that your channel is live, let's try posting a message. This is the primary way to initiate conversations or share updates with team members. Remember that effective communication is key, so ensure your messages are clear and to the point. Once the conversation is started, you or other team members can reply to posts to keep the discussion going. Moreover, within each channel there are dedicated sections for files and notes. You can upload and share documents, streamlining the collaborative process, making it accessible to all channel members. Finally, by clicking the plus icon, you have the option to add new tabs or integrate apps, such as Planner or other work-related tools. This customization ensures your channel becomes a central hub for all project-related needs. You may also explore workflows, which can automate repetitive tasks or enhance productivity even further. By utilizing these features, Microsoft Teams channels can become an integral part of your team's workflow. Stay organized, keep communication flowing, and make collaboration effortless. Thanks for tuning in, and happy teaming!